Hi everyone, it's Vladislav from cryo, and today I want to share with you how your precious biomaterials could be sent with us totally safely. All our couriers are well trained and they are aware of the IATA regulations, so they know how to carry your precious biomaterial in the cryo shipper. Also, our team member informing the airport security in advance, so the biomaterial wouldn't be X-rayed in any checkpoint. And of course, all couriers have a lot of paperwork which will help them to pass any security checkpoints smoothly as possible. Our cryo shippers are equipped with the special labeling which is showing that we are delivering biomaterial samples, and also they have the temperature monitoring system which is showing the temperature for the couriers in the real time, so they will be aware that all needed conditions are met. With our couriers, you can be 100% sure that your biomaterials are in safe hands and will be delivered as smooth as possible.